today we're going to do another sports car repair shop. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is wash. Well, that's the main thing. But first thing, announcement. Sooty, our old gerbil, has passed away. So Snowy is on her own, and she's living okay. She's lived there for maybe just over a week, and yeah. So let's do a bit of fire. Give it a bit of fire. Let's give it a rinse. Down. And yeah. So now I just had little Henry with me. And he was squeaking like mad. I'm a bit distracted with cute animals today. So, about Sooty. Sooty was maybe about 3 to 4 years old. And we buried her. We might do a video about it, but we might not. So, let's give it some oil. It's got to be fox oil. So, it gives it now a bit of, what did you say? So, a bit of colour, and I'm going to go with yellow. I like it. And something else. And that is the end of this video.
Good job.
I hope you enjoyed. And